Hi friends, I am Pawan Agrawal and today in this video, I'll be letting you know how you can make your AI automation. These terms may sound very difficult initially, but as you will proceed in this video, you will find out that these things are not that tough as they sound. AI automation are the buzzword in these kind of world. You would have seen Microsoft firing so many people just because they were doing repeated tasks. So what these AI automation tool does, they do all these repeated tasks for you. For businesses, the benefits of AI automation is they will replace the employees, which are very costly these days. And secondly, these AI automation tools do not take leaves. They never get sick. So your business will function 24/7 and these AI tools performs better than the employees that they are hired. So that is why the demand for AI automation and AI agent have been increasing day by day. By learning all these things, you can leverage your potential earning. If you have a business, you can make AI automation tools from scratch for yourself. If you are a freelancer, you can provide these services to these businesses and earn a good money. This video is for beginners. Once this video is completed, you will learn all the basics which initially were sounding very difficult for you and learn AI automation. If you have zero knowledge, this video is for you. If you have zero coding experience, this video is for you. And the tool which we will be using to make AI automation is N8N, which is very popular these days. It can make almost any AI automation possible. Initially, to make these AI automation, you had to have a lot of coding experience, but N8N have made it possible. Even if you have zero coding experience, you can make these kind of AI automation tools. So let's get started. I am into my N8N dashboard. Since I have the N8N, I am logged in. If you do not have the N8N with you, wait till the last. I will tell you the process how you can get N8N for you. The term N8N may sound difficult for you initially, but as you play around with this tool, these things will become simpler for you. Okay, as you see the dashboard, you see the option create workflow. Now, what is workflow? AI automation is workflow. Basically, a workflow is the thing which we do to make AI automation possible. Here in the dashboard, you can see I have many workflow set up because I have been testing this for a while. If you are new, if you log in, you will see empty things over here. There's one more thing, credentials and execution, which I'll be telling you in the later part of my video. So let's get started. I'll press the create workflow button. This is the start of AI automation. Okay. Don't get scared. This is called editor. As I have told you, as you play around, these things will become very simple for you. As you press the plus button, it will start a trigger. Now, what is an AI automation? AI automation is a thing that performs your task automatically. So there has to be one of the triggers. For example, I have a cookie company called Pawan Cookies, and in which what I do is I make cookies at my home and I take orders online. My clients fill the form, and when they fill the form, this information gets to my team. They make the cookies, handmade cookies for them, and delivered back to the customer. Now, the problem is as soon as they fill the form, a manual person has to write an email to the client. Now, I want this task to be automated, which an employee was required initially to do, but this thing will be done automatically within seconds, and my client would be happy because he will get the response instantly. Now see in the form what I have is, I have all these details: name of the client, their email ID, phone number, type of cookies, and quantity. The data that has been filled here is a dummy data. So what my trigger point here is, as soon as a person fills this form, since this is a Google form, as soon as he fills in, I get an automatic entry in this Google Sheet. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll click the plus form, and here I'll select Google, and I'll get the option Google Sheets. I will select that, and I have three more options here. So what I have to do is, as soon as a row is added, my trigger should be initiated. Now I am getting this forms. Since I have already connected my Gmail account, so I am not getting anything to connect to my Gmail account. Since you might have not been connected, so there is a simple process. You will get connected to your Gmail. Okay, now since my Gmail account is connected, I am getting this option. You will get this option, create new credential, if your account is not been created. Okay, what is this mode? Poll time. What will be the schedule of your AI automation? I am pressing it as every minute, so it will go every minute and check this Google Sheet if there is a new entry and then act whatever I want to do. So I have set it here every minute. There are many other options. You can select it as per your requirement. Now I have to select the document. I am selecting Pawan Cookies, my form. And now I have to select the exact sheet which I want to use. I will copy this URL and enter it here. Now what I want is trigger on is whenever a row is added, this trigger should run. And now I'll press the fetch test event to see if everything is fine or not. It is saying everything is good. Okay. Now what I have to do is let us test it. Now let us fill a sample form to see if everything is working. I am putting all the information here. These are all the dummy datas. They are not real datas. As soon as I have pressed the submit button, you will see a new entry is created in my Google Sheet. And now I will go in my N8N workflow. This workflow is still not active because I have pressed the inactive button because it is still not complete. So I have to manually run it. To do so, I am pressing the execute workflow button. See, I have pressed the execute button and you will see it has received all the data which was there in the Google Sheet. So this is working fine. Now what I have to do is I have to send the email. My customer should know that their order has been received. Now I'll select Gmail from the trigger option and now I will select send an email because I have to send email to my customer. Again, see, since my account is connected, it is showing this. Otherwise, you will have to select create new credentials. In the resources, you should select message operation should be sent and to should be the section of the client. Okay, so this email is my client's email. I will put it over here in the to section. In the subject, I will write his name and your order have been received. Email should go in the text format and the message should be hello, my client's name, your quantity of the order, type of the order have been received. Thanks for your order, Team Pawan Cookies. So I have framed the mail and I will press the execute button. See, everything is working fine. It is so simple. Why it is simple for me? Because I have been practicing it for a few days. It may be a bit difficult for you, but as you play along, these things will become simpler for you. Now let us test this complete workflow and see if I am receiving the mail or not. For example, the customer's name is Sagar. I have entered his email, which is blur. This is a random phone number and say he likes chocolate and he likes a lot of chocolate. So he have ordered 100 quantity and submit button has been pressed. You will see the entry has come here and now I will execute the workflow. See, the Google Sheet and email has been sent. So now let us see if I have received the email or not. See, I have received the email. Hello Sagar, your 100 chocolate cookie order have been received. Thank you for your order, Team Pawan Cookies. So see how simple it is to make AI automation workflow. For the demo purpose, I have given just a very simple way to make the AI automation. As you go along and practice, you can make all the complicated workflow. For making the workflow, you required all these steps. Whatever your client's requirement is, you can put it on ChatGPT and ChatGPT will give you a step-by-step instruction what you have to do. You just have to execute that in this N8N platform. Now, the main question comes is how you can get this N8N server. For this, you please click on the link given on the YouTube description. That is my affiliate link. You will land on this page. You will see many options. You select this plan KVM1. This is for beginners. There are many options here: 1 month, 24 month and 12 month. I would not recommend you 1 month because first of all, it is very costly and Hostinger is a very good hosting company which gives you 30-day money back guarantee, no question asked. If you'll use 1 month, you will have to pay the money and the money won't be refunded if you do not like it. So if you want to play around and if you want to see if you like it or not, you can go for 12 months and 24 months plan. For 12 months, you will see the prices are $5.99 per month. And if you'll enter my coupon code PA10, you will see you will get an instant 10% discount. And for you guys, I have taken one more special coupon code from Hostinger for 24 months. If you'll use PA15, you will get a special 15% discount. So this 15% discount is applicable for 2 years and more than 2 years of plan. You press continue from here. Press continue button. Now this will give you the page for payment, and there are many payment options. As you can say, make the payment of your choice, and once you make the payment, you will receive the N8N hosting, in which you can host N8N. Once you make the payment, you will be landed on this screen. If you have bought the hosting from our affiliate link, you can fill the form given in the description, and we will be giving you a lot of goodies. Now you press N8N on this, select the first option. Now select the root password. Please remember this. Unselect the malware scanner, and now your setup is about to get ready. It may take a few while and your server would be ready. See, your server is ready. Now click on the manage app and fill all the details. Now fill the information here. This will create your N8N account on the N8N server. These things will be required to log into your N8N. This is a feedback form. You can select anything. It doesn't matter at all. Now press the send me a free license key. This is required because this license key will give you all the advanced features free. This is also one of the bonuses you get while you buy the hosting from Hostinger. Now you will receive the license key in your email, and the license key is blurred. I am copying the license key. Now I am on my dashboard. I am go to settings, and you will find the enter activation key. Enter it here and press activate. Now everything is set up. Now you are free to make your N8N workflow. So now we will be ending this video here. Hopefully this video is good and you have understood all the concepts. If there is anything which you have not understood, you can comment and we'll make sure we will reply to all those comments. Thank you very much. I am Pawan Agrawal signing off.